Hi here. Um, I'm trying to demonstrate how to set up this Power BI tool. The first, we can download the source code from this GitHub report. And next bit, we'll open this APS share app. Okay. Now suppose we already download the source code, and next bit we go to open folder and navigate the download location of the Power BI tools and go to service and open this APS share app. As you can see, I already opened this file. So next step, let me just, okay, then next step, first is install the Node.js package. And next, we create a .env file. And we can get the .env file parameter here. And here is your client ID. And that is your client secret. And copy URL. We can use the default value. This one, but remember to add this callback URL to your to my app page, just like this one. We add the callback URL here. Okay. And this is app name. It's APS Power BI viewer. And this secret copied any validate string. Okay. And that's when we can go to run and click start debugging to run this server. Okay. And next step, I'm going to use my credential to run this project. So let me delete this one and rename. Okay. And run again. And let's go open the website. And when you are doing a refresh install this share app application, you will see nothing here. So first you need to click this new. And copy and paste the model URL here, and you can type some description for this model you want to access from the Power BI, and then click create. And now it's everything good for set out the share app. The next bit, let's go to the Power BI. Let's open the Power BI. And here we can go to this Power BI tool repository, and let's find the release. And next step, let's download this visual card. And next, go back to the Power BI. We can click here, import the visual from a file, or here we can click import and Power BI visual from file. Both way all works. And let's find a visual card and open. And once import successful, we can see the APS viewer visual here. And we can create a new visual here. And then go to the visual style. Then go back to the Share app. We can copy the token URL for this model and paste. And next then we copy paste the URL for this model. Okay. Now we cannot see anything here, so we need to reopen this Power BI to reload this all settings. So let's save the change and document APS viewer demo, and name this report is demo v2. Okay, and now we reopen the Power BI desktop. And open the repo. And now you should see the viewer here. Okay. And if you want to see this repo on Power BI workspace, we can upload the visual. And then we can open the report here. Okay. And by the way, if you want to share this repo to your colleague, probably you need to change the token endpoint we set for this visual card to the public space, which means we need to host this share app to a public location, so others can your colleague can open this visual card from other internet location. Okay, that's all. Thank you.